Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be filming another eyeshadow palette organization video because as you guys can see over there, I have just a few palettes that need to be organized, so I thought I would film an organization video since you guys seem to enjoy that. I will also do an organization video on my vanity later as well. So first off, over here, I'm going to definitely take Blue Blood out. And I'm going to take the Conspiracy palette by Jeffree Star. I'm going to replace that and set it back there. Just because that's kind of the only place where I can have it and I want it on my vanity. The palettes that I have to organize are the Mini Controversy palette, the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, this blush palette, but that's just going to go in my blush drawer. And then I have the Moonspell palette by Lunar Beauty. This is like, the packaging's beautiful on this. Then we have the Mini Norvina Volume 2. And we also have the Mini Volume 1, 2. And then we have the Celestial Thunder palette. So we got quite a bit to organize right now. So, lots to organize, not a lot of space. Great. Over here, I think I'm going to put the one mini palette there. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know. That is about as organized as my palettes are gonna get. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.